Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download Audio Mack in your device. So to know more about this and its features, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So Audio Mack is a music streaming platform used to listen to, upload and share songs and mixtape, and it's very popular for discovering new music, especially for independent and emerging artists. So this app have very interesting features. So to download this app and explore its features, so let's get started. So to download this app, you can visit your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and download it very easily. As I am iOS user, I would visit my app store. So this is the very first homepage of this app, and here you can see the various options below this page. From all of this, you just need to click on the option search, which is at the very bottom right of this page. Click on the option search and search the related app, which is Audio Mack. So here is the app Audio Mack. So to download this app, you just need to click on this profile icon of this app. So this is the app. So here you can see ratings, privacies, news, features and many more. So to get this app, you just need to click on the option get, which is highlighted in color blue. Just click on this, and if you are new to this, you just need to verify yourself by double clicking your power button of your device. So you have been verified in this app, so your app will be downloaded in your device within a very few seconds or a minute, and you will be ready to explore this app features. So that's how you can just download it very easily. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.